Hello YouTube friends. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate how to use a tool called ExifTool, and what it's used for is it's used to read metadata tags on a variety type of file formats. What I'm going to use it for today is read some GPS information out of some JPEGs that I have. So when you want to use it, after you've installed it, simply type in ExifTool, and you can just drag in a photo to the window. Hit enter, and you can see that there's all this metadata about the file. There's a whole bunch of information here, pretty much everything you want to know. What we're going to look at is here's a GPS information section. Specifically, we're going to look at this tag called GPS position. Now notice that it's capitalized with a space in between it and a capital P. So what I want to do is I want to look at the GPS information for every photo that's in this directory. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to the terminal, change the directory into this one where all the photos are sitting. Once again, simply type CD, drag that folder right into here, hit enter, and now terminal is in that directory. So I'll type in ExifTool star.jpg and specify which tag we want to look at. So I said notice the way that it was written before, because that's not the way we're going to write it now. So I'm writing GPS position, all one word, all lowercase, and hit enter, and there it is. So this is the GPS information for every JPEG in that directory. So there's a couple that don't have any, like these, and most of them do. So now what I want to do is I want to take this information and process it with a script and eventually put it into Google Earth. So I've already written the scripts that are going to do that, and I'm going to show you how that's going to go. So first thing, I need to write all of that information that we just saw. I need to write it into a text file that the script is going to use. So just type up to bring out that same command again, and I'm going to direct it to write all of that information into a text file called photolog. So now notice this time it didn't have any output like it did last time, but it simply just wrote everything that we saw into a text file, and now it's sitting here in this directory. And you can see that it looks just the same format as it did in the terminal window. It's now just been written to a text file. And now I'm going to use that Python script that I mentioned. Python, drag in the script, hit enter, it's done. Go back one directory, and now there's this file called clean photolog. Open that up, and basically it's just a CSV where the first part of it is the name of the photo, the second is the latitude, the second is longitude, and it's been converted into decimal degrees, which is what KML wants. And the last step is run my other script that's going to actually write the KML file. Enter. It's done. Back one level. Here it is. So it showed up under temporary places called KML file. I will hit the check mark to display all the photos, and here it is. It used the GPS information from each one of those photos to write a bookmark, or a place mark is what it's called, for every one of the photos according to where it was taken. So, for example, that's the entrance to one of the tunnels. A couple of photos in that area. Here are the kids in the trailer. That's the other end of the tunnel. And it's a bike tire. Basically what it did, you can see that in just a few quick steps, it took out all of the GPS information out of those photos and brought them into Google Earth so you can see exactly where they were taken. Thank you for watching.